In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut, trim, and split videos in the CapCut mobile editing app. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Boy. I help content creators, YouTubers, and video editors level up their editing skills. If you are looking forward to improve your video editing game, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get started. So first thing first is to open the CapCut app and import our file. So you click on New Project and you import the video you want to edit and make the trim, and you understand. So if you want to split this now, let's say there's a part you don't like, so let me just play it for you to see.
On a record, let's tell anything like that. Just tell us what it is. I'm not talking about.
Okay, let's say I want to split this clip here. All I have to do is to click on this line here, click on this clip. As you can see, there's split here. You just click on this split. Then if you don't need this first part, just click on delete. That's all. Then as for trimming, if you want to trim this clip, all you have to do is click on this end part of it, this white part that has a small eye on it. Just click on it, then you start trimming to the particular part of the video you want it to stop. You understand? So you just keep trimming. Okay, you need it to stop here. So that's it. That is how to trim videos. If you want cut is as the same as split. You understand? They work hand to hand. So I don't think there's any more thing attached to it. So once you're done with cutting and splitting, you can go ahead and do other editing. So that is how to edit basic editing on CapCut app. If you're interested in learning how to remove your green screen on the CapCut app, check out this video I made.